Namaskar, I am Dan Gaude, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Today I will discuss the examples on Lagrange's equations of motions from the variational principle of classical mechanics, which MEC first, semester first. Example, when integrand is a functions of more than two independent variable, and see example. Prove that the shortest distance between two points in a Euclidean three planes, three space is a straight line. Define the curve x y is equal to y of x, x z is equal to z of x in the Euclidean three-dimensional Euclidean space. Let p of x y z and q of x plus dx, y plus dy, z plus dz be the neighboring points on the curve joining the points a of x1, y1, z1 and b of x2, y2, z2. Thus, the infinitesimal distance between P and Q along the curve is given by ds square is equal to dx square plus dy square plus dz square. Hence, the total distance between the points A and B along the curve is given by I is equal to integral from x1 to x2 1 plus y dash square plus y dot square plus z dot square raised to half dx, where y dot is equal to dy by dx. Let f is equal to 1 plus y dot square plus z dot square raised to half. We know the functional f is shortest if the function f must satisfy Euler's Lagrange's differential equations dou f by dou I minus d by dx of dou f by dou I dot is equal to 0 and dou f by dou z minus d by dx of dou f by dou z dot is equal to 0. Here coefficient of y and coefficient of z absent, therefore dou f by dou y is equal to 0, dou f by dou z is equal to 0, and coefficient of y dot and z dot is present, therefore d by d dabba by dabba y dot of 1 plus y dot square plus z dot square raised to half is 2y dot divided by 2 square root of 1 plus y dot square plus z dot square. 2 to cancel, therefore y dot divided by square root of 1 plus y dot square plus z dot square and square root of 1 plus y dot square plus z dot square is equal to f. Therefore d by dx of y dot divided by f is equal to a constant, and integrate therefore y dot is equal to af, where a is constant, and y dot square is equal to 1 plus y dot is equal to a f. Similarly, we can get z dot is equal to af. Z dot is equal to af. Consider y dot square into 1 minus a square z dot square is equal to a square. Similarly, from equation 4 we obtain z dot square 1 minus b square y dot square is equal to b square, and solving this for y dot and z dot, and we get y dot is equal to plus minus a divided by square root of 1 minus a square minus b square, and z dot is equal to plus minus a divided by square root of 1 minus a square minus b square. And therefore y dot is equal to 1 plus minus c1, where c1 is equal to, and y dot z dot is equal to plus minus c2. Integrating, we get y dot is equal to plus minus c1x plus phi of z, and z is equal to plus minus c2x plus psi of y, where phi of z and psi of y are constant of integration and may be functions of z and y respectively. Thus, the functions, the required curve is given by the equation y is equal to and z is equal to, but these equation represents a pair of planes. The common point of intersection of these planes is a straight line. We know that. Hence, the shortest distance between 2 points in a Euclidean 3 space is a straight line. Next example, show that the geodesic defined in the Euclidean three-dimensional Euclidean space by the equations x is equal to x of t, y is equal to y of t, and z is equal to z of t is a straight line. Let x is equal to x of t, y is equal to y of t, and z is equal to z of t. It is given that be a curve in three-dimensional Euclidean space when where t is the parameter of the curve. Then infinitesimal distance between two neighboring points is given by distance formula. ds square is equal to dx square plus dy square plus dz square. Therefore, dx is equal to x square dot x dot dt, dy is equal to y dot dt, and z is equal to z dot dt. Therefore, ds square is equal to x dot square plus y dot square plus z dot square dt square. Hence, the total length of the curve between the points p of t1 and p of t0 and p of t1 is given by I is equal to t0 to t1 x dot square plus y dot square plus z dot square raised to half dt. The curve is geodesic if the length of the curve I is extremum. This is true if the integrand f is equal to square root of x dot square plus y dot square plus z dot square must satisfy Euler-Lagrange's differential equation. Therefore, del by f by del by y xi minus d by dt of del by f by del by xi dot is equal to 0 for all I is equal to 1, 2, 3 and xi is equal to x, y, z. Here del by f by del by xi is equal to 0 and del by f by del by x dot xi dot is equal to xi dot divided by f, where for I is equal to 1, 2, 3. Therefore, x dot is equal to af and y dot is equal to bf and z dot is equal to cf. Thus, the Euler-Lagrange equation becomes a square minus 1 x dot square plus y square minus y dot square plus a square z dot square is equal to 0, b square x dot square plus b square minus 1 y dot square plus b square z dot square is equal to 0, c square x dot square plus c square y dot square plus c square minus 1 z dot square is equal to 0. These equations are consistent provided determinant of a square minus 1, a square, b square minus 1, b square, c square minus 1 is equal to 0, and this is a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 1. And solving these, therefore, x dot is equal to a divided by square root of 1 minus a square minus b square z dot y dot is equal to b divided by square root of 1 minus a square minus b square z dot is not equal to 0. Integrate and we get x is equal to c1 of z plus phi of y and c2 y is equal to c2 of z psi of x, where c1 is equal to a divided by square root of 1 minus a square minus b square, and c2 is equal to b divided by square root of 1 minus a square minus b square, where psi of x and phi of y are constant of integration. It may be functions of x and y respectively. Equation 8 and 9 represents plane. The locus of the common points of this plane is a straight line. Hence, the geodesic in three-dimensional Euclidean space is a straight line, and hence it is proved.